Hey guys, welcome to Backwoods Broadcast. This is Big Jim.
This is Bigger Matt.
Guys, we're going to try something a little different than what we usually do. We've been hitting this app up called Randonautica. I don't know if you guys have heard of that one or not.
The app looks like this.
So we've been messing around with it for a little while, and we're gonna take some footage tonight, share with you guys, and let us know if you guys like this new content. You got anything to add, Mr. Jim?
I mean, yeah, we've done it a couple times. It's been pretty creepy both times. We've never used the Randonautica app on our channel before. We've done a couple ghost hunt videos. We'll throw some links up there for those. And so this time we're going to take you. Hopefully we see something cool, and this first little segment won't be a waste of our time.
Stay tuned, guys.
See you.
See you in a minute. Rolling.
Alright, so we're here. We used our Randonautica app. It brought us to this location. It's next to a lake. It's super dark out here. We're not really even able to get good footage. It's so dark. Guess we didn't bring a big enough light, but yeah, it's creepy out here. Let's walk this trail and see what we can find. Thank you, Randonautica, for freaking me out. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but it's literally starting to pour the rain out here, and it's creepy as hell. We're in the middle of this field. Got like a baseball field over there. I have no idea where we're at.
What is that, dude? Okay. A little disturbing. Let's walk out. There's a rope. Beast, I don't know why. That's so bad. Like this. Alright guys, it's piss pouring rain out here. Seen a creepy sign. I've seen enough. It's pitch black dark. I think we're going to call it a night. So, see you guys here in a few. Oh, there you go. Look at that shit.
I lost your cat, Jim.
That's all right.
Well, what's up, Backwoods buddies? Jim and Matt back from our first on-screen Randonautica experience, and man, that really sucked.
Yeah, it wasn't that good of an experience.
No, it's I mean, it's been raining on and off all day. It wasn't raining when we left.
Some pretty creepy vibes, though.
Pretty creepy vibe. It was so dark we couldn't even really get good footage with the camera, and we had some pretty good light action going on there.
Yeah.
No moonlight tonight. No, there was nothing.
No, it was dark, buddy.
Yes,
Super dark.
It's creepy. There was that weird wooden sign out there.
I don't know what that was about.
I don't know who was
coincidence. Who knows?
Somebody, it could have just been somebody trying to be creepy.
Yeah, it was weird being out there in the dark and not knowing whether there was somebody else out there. Where it was raining, I don't know if it was like our minds playing tricks on us, or there actually was somebody out there, or what. But it was kind of odd.
It was kind of odd. We had some more stuff we were going to try. We had an EMF detector and all that stuff. We didn't even get to do that. We got rained out.
Got rained out.
Basically. It came a golly whopper. Again. That's our second golly whopper we've been through in videos.
On video, yeah.
Yeah, we have plenty golly whoppers here in Kentucky. I'm really just trying to see how many times I can say golly whopper in
I
this
noticed
video.
that, yeah, you were really going for it.
You got to go for the golly whopper.
Go for the golly whopper.
Yeah, you got to risk it to get the golly whopper. That really didn't work. But hopefully you liked this video.
Yeah. If you did, give us a thumbs up.
If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool too. For our current subscribers, you guys let us know if you want to see some more stuff like this. Hopefully, it'll be better next time. We're kind of ill prepared this time, but
Can't predict the Kentucky weather. It's hold my beer weather.
That's right.
All right. For Bigger Matt
and Big Jim.
We'll see you next time.
See you guys on the next one.